Hi and welcome in a new lesson of CSS tutorial. In this lesson I will explain float and clear properties. So let me see what meant by both of them. Float used for positioning and formatting contents. Like let an image float left to a text in a container. Let me see this practically. So I prepared here the code. I have first division and then second division, and finally I will show you how we can use float to make a nav bar. So for this division, the first division, let we add some styles like border and padding, and finally let we make float left for the picture, this picture. The class is first, one pixel, solid, and the color is light gray, and make padding 5 pixels, and let we make margin bottom 20 pixels. Nice. So here the first division, the first element in this division is a picture and then a paragraph. Then let we make a float for this image. So the image has a class white cat, so dot white cat. Now let we make float left. So this picture will be displayed in the left of any element inside this division. So the paragraph positioned to be in the right of the picture because we floated the picture to the left. So this means that the picture will be displayed in the left of any element inside this division. And the same thing if we make it right. But it will be in the right of any element inside this division. What we see. So it will be like this for just small screen, but if we make it full screen, the height of the division doesn't fit the picture. So to fix this issue, I will add overflow and it will be Udo. Nice. So that's how you can add float for any element. The element that has float, right or left, will be in the left or in the right of any element inside this division. Let me add the same style for the second division. So here, let me copy this, but instead of first, it will be second. And let me see. So this is the division and how it looks like. The first element is the picture, then a heading, H3, and finally a paragraph. Let we float the picture so that brown cat, which is the class for the picture here, and let we float it to left, for example. So all the elements inside the division will be displayed to the right of the picture because we floated the picture to the left. So the picture will be displayed in the left of any element inside this division. But what if we want to remove the float for any element inside the division? For example, for the paragraph, I don't want the paragraph to be floated to the right of the picture. So how we can do this? I want to remove the float for the paragraph. So let me select the paragraph so that second P and clear left, which means clear any float from left. Let me see. Nice. What if we want also to remove the float for this heading? So just let we add the heading H3. Nice. So that's how you can make a float and remove the float from any element in the division. So now let we see how we can use float to make a nav bar. Let we organize them and add some styles to make it looks like a nav bar. So here we have an ordered list which consists of 3 links. So firstly, let we add a style for the unordered list. Let we specify a width 50% and the height 50 pixels. And let we make background color black. Let me see. Just remain to remove the item markers, and we can do this using list style type property and make it none, so it will remove the item markers. You can't see it now because we have a background color black, but here if we remove the background color, so the item markers has been removed. Now let we add a style for the list here, the list tag. I want to float all the elements inside the list tag to left. So all the links has a float left. Now let we add some styles for these links. So li and a. Let we remove the align text decoration and make it none. Make color white. Make padding 40 pixels or 14 pixels and 15 pixels. Make margin Udo to be in the center, but it's not centered, so we have to add a display block. Nice, but I can't see the third link, so I think we have here so much padding from right. Let's make it 8. Nice. So here is something like navbar that float will help you to make it, and so many other stuff that float will help you to do it. So that's everything about float and how you can remove this float from any element inside the same division. So if you have any question or something you don't understand well, you know that I'm always willing to help you. So practice well, good luck, and see you next time.